In this video, you'll learn how to find remote jobs on Indeed so you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly, so if you're new to job sites or just new to remote work searches, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. Let's start from the Indeed homepage. When you first arrive, you'll see a large search bar near the top of the screen. It's usually split into two main fields. The first field is where you enter what kind of job you're looking for, and the second field is for the location. In the first field, go ahead and type in the job title you're interested in. This could be something very specific like front-end developer or customer support specialist, or something a bit broader like marketing or project manager. The more specific you are, the more targeted your results will be. If you're not sure exactly what title to use, you can start with a general role and refine later as you see what comes up. Today, I'll show you how to make sure those search results are focused on remote opportunities only. After you've entered your job title, move over to the location field. By default, Indeed might show a city, region, or United States or your own country there. Click into that location box, delete whatever is there, and simply type the word remote. On many versions of Indeed, you'll also see a suggestion drop down that says remote as you type. Select that option if it appears. If you prefer, you can also use the remote filter instead of typing it. Once you see your first round of search results, look around the top or the side of the results page for filter options. One of these will relate to where the job can be done, often labeled as remote, remote or hybrid, or location. Click that and choose the remote option so only remote-friendly roles are shown. Both methods do the same thing. They tell Indeed to show you jobs that can be done from home or outside a traditional office. I'm going to walk you through how to make the most of the results page once you've set your job title and remote location. After you hit search, you'll see a list of remote job listings that match what you entered. Take a moment to scan the list. Each listing will usually show the job title, the company name, the location or remote, and sometimes an estimated salary range. Click on any job title that looks interesting to open the full description. As you read, look for confirmation that the role is actually remote. Some positions are fully remote, while others might be hybrid or require you to live in a specific time zone or country. Pay attention to details about hours, equipment requirements, and whether they mention any travel. I'll show you the easiest way to quickly review multiple postings. Open a listing, skim the responsibilities and qualifications, and if it seems like a possible match, you can save it using the save button on the page so you can come back to it later. Then close it and move on to the next one in the list. This keeps you organized and helps you compare roles more easily. As you review more remote job listings, you'll start to notice patterns in requirements, skills, and tools that employers are looking for. Use that insight to adjust your job title search if needed, and keep refining until the results feel aligned with what you want. And that's all there is to it. Enter your job title, set remote as the location or filter, and carefully review the remote job listings that appear.